Hello my dear students, Neeraj again with my next video of a very important question number 15 of exercise 9.1. So what is given in the question? That is a different one question from the other questions that is given in the exercise. A straight highway leads to the foot of the tower. A man standing at the top of the tower observes a car at an angle of depression of 30 degree which is approaching to the foot of the tower. With the uniform speed 6 seconds later, the angle of depression of the car is found to be 60 degree. Find the time taken by a car to reach the foot of the tower from this point. So what is given in this question? AB is a tower and this is the road. A car is coming towards the tower and a man is standing here, and the man at the top of the tower observes the car firstly at the point D, and the angle of depression is 30 degree. So you can see here XA is parallel to BD. So the angle of depression means this 30 degree must be equal to this angle. Why? Because these two are the alternate angles. Similarly, after some seconds, because the car is moving, after some seconds the car is approaching at the point C. So at the point C, what will be the angle? The angle of depression when the man is standing at the point A, the angle of depression will be 60 degrees. Similarly, the angle XAC is equals to angle ACB 60 degree. Both the angles must be equal. So we have to find the time taken. Now we are not going to calculate AB, BC, CD. We will calculate it, but we have to find the time taken by the car to reach the point B or the foot of the tower. So I am going to start my question. So what is given? Firstly, I will check the triangle AB. There are two triangles. One is ABD and the other triangle is ABC. So firstly, I will take the triangle ABD because we are concerned with this height and this distance. So we will take this perpendicular and base, that is AB upon BD equals to the angle will be tan 30 degree. So what will be the value of tan 30? AB equals to BD comes here and tan 30. We will substitute the value of tan 30. Tan 30 is 1 over root 3. So BD comes here. AB equals to BD into 1 upon root 3. So the answer will be BD upon under root 3. The value of AB is given. Now come in the triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, AB upon BC is equals to tan 60 degree. As you can see, the base angle is 60 degree. So what will be the value of tan 60? That is AB upon BC under root 3. Take BC on the other side. AB is equals to BC under root 3. Now you can see this is the equation number 1. I will take AB equals to BD upon root 3 and BC equals to AB equals to BC root 3. Now you can see that AB are same. So you can equate the other two sides, means BD upon root 3 equals to BC root 3. Take root 3 on the other side. BD is equals to 3BC. Now you can see that BD is the combination of BC plus CD, means the sum of BC plus CD. So at the place of BD we will substitute the value BC plus CD. What will be the answer? It will be BD equals to BC plus CD. So the value of BD is, as we have considered in the last page, BC 3BC equals to BC plus CD. Take the BC on the other side. 3BC minus 1BC equals to CD, that is 2BC equals to CD, or you can write it as BC equals to 1 by 2 CD. So the distance BC, what is BC? Look at this. This BC is half of the CD. According to the given, this BC is half of the CD. So the time taken by car will be also half. So time taken by car to reach from point C to B, that is half multiplied by time taken by car from D to C, that is 6 seconds. Half multiplied by 6 seconds, the answer will be 3 seconds. Now look at the question again. Here the CD is BC is the half of CD, means CD is the double of BC. So what will we do? We know the distance, we know the time from time of the car from D to C, that is 6 seconds. So this distance is half. So the car is moving at a uniform speed. So the time will be also be half. So in the similar way we have done in this part. So half of 6 seconds, that is 3 seconds, time taken by a car to reach the point C to B, and that will be the answer of this question. Thank you very much.